Now I want to explain each of these keyframes more accurately. The first one is linear. If I divide Graph Editor into two axes, time and speed, as you see, my object moves with constant speed. That it is 4 here, from 1 to 5 seconds. But what happened to easy is the object moves with different speed. As you see, the object moves slow out while the speed increases, arrives to the maximum, then speed decreases, finally arrives slow in to new keyframes. Usually I use this keyframe because of having more smooth movement. The later keyframes that are important are easy in and easy out, which made by composing easy and linear. At first, talk about easy in. As you see, the right side is linear, so object moves out with constant speed. Then speed decreases gradually to reach the later keyframe. This is called easy in because of arriving object with a decreasing speed to this keyframe. Now about easy out, start moving slowly, then speed increases till later keyframe, then move in by constant speed to keyframe. This is called easy out because of moving out slowly from keyframe. The whole keyframe doesn't have any speed due to not having movement. When indicator arrives to each keyframe, only that keyframe will be shown. For instance, indicator will be set on first frame, enable its position, then click on stopwatch to create a keyframe. As you see, the first created keyframe as default is linear. Indicator will be set on frame 6. Two first keyframes are linear and don't change them. To second keyframes, change to easy ease. To change these keyframes, right click on it, then keyframes assistant, easy ease, easy in or easy out can be selected. If I want to select whole keyframe, I select it from here, select easy ease. Now select all keyframes, then go to the Graph Editor. Now explain here to get it better. My object moves from first to second keyframe with a constant speed. When object moves from second to third keyframe, it moves out with constant speed, then moving with a slow speed while the speed is decreasing. But what happened to easy is the object moves out with a slow speed, then object reaches to maximum speed, then object's speed decreases to later keyframe.